The first black female inventor. The truth behind the X. During late 19th century, slavery had only been abolished a few years earlier, and in the United States, a black woman African-American quietly made history in 1884. She was Judy W. Reed. But here's the twist. She couldn't even write her own name. On September 23, 1884, U.S. Patent number 305474, an invention is officially registered. Dough Kneader and Roller, and the inventor signs it, with nothing but an X. At that time, making bread was slow, exhausting, and completely manual. Reed's machine changed that. It kneaded dough automatically, rolled it evenly, saved time and labor. It may sound simple today, but in the 1800s, this was practical innovation at its finest. Now think about the moment she was living in. Black Americans faced severe restrictions. Women had even fewer rights. And yet, a black woman secured a U.S. patent. This wasn't just an invention. It was a quiet act of defiance. First recorded black woman to receive a U.S. patent. Likely no formal education. Signed with an X. But here's the deeper truth. Judy W. Reed may not have been the first black woman to invent something. She was simply the first one the system chose to record. How many others were never documented? How many ideas were taken or ignored? Sarah E. Goode patented a folding cabinet bed in 1885. Madam C.J. Walker built a hair care empire and became a self-made millionaire. Judy W. Reed wasn't the end of the story. She was the beginning of a door opening. That X wasn't just a mark. It became a signature of innovation. And today, when we look back at history, maybe the real question isn't, who was first? Maybe it's this, how many were never counted? History doesn't always forget. Sometimes it never records. Let's bring these forgotten geniuses into the light to the world. For its love, respect, peace, and for such as innovation, discovery, invention, etc. that has made our life easy and comfortable. Please subscribe, like, and comment for more geniuses like these.